silence of the midnight hour, shadows move with borrowed power. Whispers trade in hidden rooms, seeds of pride begin to bloom. Every deal in darkened halls echoes down forgotten walls. But heaven hears what earth ignores, and truth stands knocking at the door. You can't run, but you can't outrun the eyes of the Holy One. Hear the sound of sirens crying, justice wakes, there's no denying. Every secret will be shown, every seed that has been sown. When the judge begins to stand, no defense of mortal hand. Mercy waits, but time moves on when the sound of sirens come. Blue and red against the night, flashing truth in blinding light. Power trembles, hearts exposed, every hidden chapter closed. Authority does not bear the sword in vain. God appoints for loss and gain, for the wrong and for the right. He brings darkness into light. Before the gavel ever falls, the cross still gently calls. Hear the sound of sirens crying, justice wakes, there's no denying. Every secret will be shown, every seed that has been sown. When the judge begins to stand, no defense of mortal hand. Mercy waits, but time moves on when the sound of sirens come. Let justice roll like rivers wide, let mercy stand at heaven's side. Not by power, not by might, but by repentance comes new life. You can kneel before the throne, or kneel when judgment's fully shown. Every knee will bow one day, choose the cross before that day. Hear the sound of sirens crying, heaven's courtroom testifying. But grace still echoes through the night. Turn to Christ, step into light. When the kingdoms shake and run, there's forgiveness in the Son. Before eternity is sealed, let your heart be healed.